In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an advanced options trade on ThinkorSwim. So, TOS or ThinkorSwim offers advanced options trading strategies such as spreads, straddles, iron coders, butterflies, and custom orders. So, unfortunately, I couldn't show you some steps in here due to restrictions because I'm just using the guest account here in ThinkorSwim. So first, make sure you are on the trade section. You will find it on the left side or left navigation bar. And then on the left side, you will see here the symbol box. And then you can enter the stock ticker, for example, AAPL. And then also, you can also click the option chain to expand strike prices. Now, to select an advanced option strategies, you can click on the spread type drop down above the option chain to choose predefined strategies. So as you can see in here, when I click this option trade or option chain using the guest account, we couldn't see the spread type drop down in here. So assumingly we have on that because I think it's only available on the official application of ThinkorSwim. So once you click the spread type drop down, you will see there the single option, the vertical option, the straddles or strangle option, the iron condor, and the butterfly and the custom. So for the single, you can buy or sell a single contracts, and then for the vertical, you can call or put the spreads, and then for the straddle or strangle, you can simultaneously buy and sell of calls and puts, and then for the iron condor, this is the combination of spreads for range bound trades, and then for the butterfly, you can multiple strike spreads for low risk trades, and then for the custom, you can manually select contracts. So, if you want to manually build a strategy, you can hold the CTRL for Windows, and then if you're using a Mac, you can hold the Command key while selecting the multiple strike prices. And then once you've selected your option contracts, you can set the quantity of contracts you want to trade, and then choose the order type, and then choose time in force, and then review and submit your order. Since this is just a guest account, I couldn't show you how to submit your order in here. So that's it. That's how you place an advanced options trade on ThinkorSwim. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.